The bottom line, poor defending and just a lack of discipline in certain aspects of our defense. You know, this is something that we'll have to look at very carefully because our defense has always stood up for us, right? I thought that if we had kept the ball a little bit more, we probably could have gained a lot more inroads in the Humberland team. Humberland gave as much as they got, but I don't think we closed down sufficiently on the flank areas. I mean, it took a set piece for which we have been very productive all season to really break the tie for us, you know, so for that we're really grateful.
You spend a lot of time on the back foot, coach. Was it because of the legs or was it?
No, it's just tactical indiscipline. Straight tactical indiscipline, and some of the changes that we had to make had to really. My only problem is that I didn't respond a little bit earlier because probably the third goal could have been avoided. You understand? But it just comes down to tactical indiscipline, and we have to get it right if we are going to retain our championship.
Who you call is a champion's performance?
Well, yes, because I think 99% of the guys, I mean, the score came 3-3 and they were still prepared to dig in. For me personally, I was in it for the long haul because I know there is no way Humberland could run with me even if it were going to go for 120 minutes. But of course, you know, the mind is a hell of a thing, and of course it can swing you one way or another way. But thankfully for us, we dug deep, we managed to get back in the game right afterwards and probably assert some ascendancy in the game right after the 3-3, and we got back the what could considered now be the winning goal. Yes. Yeah, that is going to be a good game, but I'm looking forward to that.
And you and Cavaliers always have some close encounter. Tell us about that.
No, I can't talk about that one right now. I'd have to see Cavaliers on the weekend. But I expect it to be a very good game, very competitive, very youthful bunch. I think it should be evenly matched. We haven't beaten them, they haven't beaten us all season, so I know they'll be striking for revenge. But of course, I think we have the goods that can really make things happen. Thank you.